Are you new to Forex trading? Then today I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 5. So if you're an Android user, you need to go to your Google Play Store. And if you're an Apple user, you need to go to your Apple Store. So first you need to have account with a trusted broker. If you do not have one, I can recommend you. You just need to go to the description of this video. You're going to have to see a link there. You can click that link, create an account, fill in all the details, and then you'll be required to do verification. You need to submit your passport or ID and even your address. So if you do not have account, do not worry. Just head at the description of this video and create account. I have a link that I've posted there. So for the Android users, I've said you need to go to Google Play Store. For the Apple users, you need to go to Apple Store. So for this case, I'm using Android. So I'm going to go to search area. So I'm already on my my Google App Store. So I search MT5. MT5 is the short form of MetaTrader 5. So you go to this blue icon app. So it is written MetaTrader 5. So you just need to click install. Once you have installed, click open. So once you open, we've already installed our MetaTrader 5. You need to click plus sign. You'll have such an interface in case you've not logged in, you've never logged into a MetaTrader 5 before. You have this this screen. You not have all these accounts. So for the first users, you need to click plus sign at the top of the app, plus sign at the top of the app, and then you come here, you write down your broker name. So my broker name, I'm going to write my broker name very quickly. So I search, I click search, and since my broker has several servers, so I select the one that is for my account, and for my account is FBS Market Inc. So if you do not have account, you can go direct and create open account, and if you have account, you come log into an existing account. So I'm going to fill in my details very fast, so that we can be able to execute our first order. And I'm going to put my password as well. So quite very fast. And without too much hassle, we can also copy paste and paste it here. So for me, I'm just writing it down. Your password and everything that is your ID are all sent to your email after you created your account. So I'm going to repeat again. I think somewhere I missed. So I'm going to write very fast. To make sure I'm able to access my account. Once, if you put wrong credentials, you'll not be able to log into your account. So you have to make sure you are writing the correct password for your account. So I come here. If you want to, you need to know your server. So for my case, I'm using FBS demo. And if you're using live money, you need to select based on the details, the account details that you've been given by your broker. So I'm using FBS demo and then login. So I've already accessed my account. I'm already in. So you go straight to have a, once you have access to your account, you see even the badge for the demo. You see if for the live they don't show badge, for demo. So this one is a demo, that's why it has a green badge, meaning I've already accessed the account and I can see the amount in that account. So we have all these details. You have your name and all stuff. So you go straight to quotes. So quotes, this is where you find the asset that you can use to the asset that you can use for your trading. So we have Euro USD, we have so many of them, we have currencies, but there are some that have not been added. So what you do, you click the plus sign and then you get these folders. And I've said for different brokers have different names for these folders. So you find other brokers, they have Forex, and then the others who have written major and minors. So I'm going to click main because those are the currencies that I'm adding. So you click the plus sign. I'm going to click very fast, very fast. These are a couple of the currencies. Yes, the one that you want. You just click the one you want, the one that you want. So I just wanted to add gold. So that's why I'm very quick. I've clicked gold, that is XAAUSD. So I've added. Once you've clicked that, checking, and then you proceed, you go back to your list. So my last added to my list is gold. So I click gold, just click once and then click chart. You have this pop up, you have new order. So you click chart. So once you click chart, I've seen how gold is right now. I can see how it is trading. So we have price on the edge. You see from the green sign, we have the number keeps changing. So that's where you see the pricing. So how far the currency has gone, how it has performed today, and the current price. And as for now, the price is that 3,880. So that's where we are for gold. So I want to execute my first order using this MetaTrader 5. It's quite very easy, but before I do that, I'm going to orientate you on the lower tab. The lower tab we have quotes. Quotes I've said is where you have the list of currencies that you want to trade, whether it's metal, whether it's cryptocurrency, and I've not added cryptocurrency. So let me go back to my plus sign and then I click the folder for cryptocurrency. So we have a list of them. So I want BTC, that is Bitcoin. So here it is. Here it is, Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. So after I've added it, I go back. So it has been added. It's to our list. You can see here. You can see all the prices, the way they keep on changing. So let me go back to chart because currently I want to trade gold. So for gold, to open position, I just need to go at the top of this app, and then on the corner side on your right hand there is a rectangle sign. So I click it. Once I click it, we have such a pop-up. Then we have sell button, and then we have buy button. So at the middle we have lot size. That's where you change your lot size. And lot size, you adjust it based on how you want it. So the minimum lot size you can use on any MetaTrader 5 is 0.01. That one is the least. So this is the least you can use. And for if you are just a learner, you can use 0.01 as for testing and be able to use this app. So I'm going to use 0.01 as a test for the new users and for them to understand. I can also adjust it to any number. I can also write 0.05 or 1. Let me say 1. So example, if I want to use 0.01, so just need to adjust it and then you edit and it is done. So let me trade gold with 0.01. So I'm willing to use 0.01. And then since I've done my analysis, I've seen gold, how gold has been moving. So it has a retracement. Retracement is just this pullback. So I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at this area here. This is where I'm speaking about the chart. So I click sell. And then before, I need to acknowledge that I understand terms and conditions, that I understand everything about trading and what it is involved. So I click, I check, accept terms and conditions, and then press OK. So that's how you are able to be allowed to put your first position. So I want to put my first position, and then I'm going to click sell for gold, and already at the bottom you see it has been done. So I want to see my position on trade area. So you go at the bottom of your app and then click trade. So this is my first position and it is moving very nicely. So know that just moving, just few USD has been made. So I want to make sure that every trade I put, I have to put a stop loss. So I want to uncheck these buy and sell position, these buy and sell buttons. So I want them to return back where they were. So I click the icon again, the icon the at the edge, the rectangle icon, and then it is done. So what I want now is put my a stop loss. A stop loss is a must when it comes to trading. So how you will put your stop loss, you need to click on your position. Click on this position that you have opened. You can see sell from the edge, and then you can see the red line where the price is moving. So I just need to click there where the position is, and then there is this pop-up that says close, and then we have a sell, and then we have TP. So let me do it again, then let me cancel that. So you just need to click, your position, the one that is dotted. We have this one, mine is color red. So once after I click it, there's another pop-up that comes at the bottom that is close a sell. So I want to put my stop loss very quickly. For me to put my stop loss, I need to click SL. SL stands for stop loss. So once I click it, it activates to orange color. So from my screen and from my chart, there's this line you can see I'm dragging. This line I'm dragging is the stop loss. And this stop loss shows on your edge. You can see how much you can lose with that position based on the lot size that you have opened. And in terms of pips or points, you see it from there. So in this case, I want to put my stop loss just way on top there, in case the currency decides to change direction, that I'll not lose a lot. So I want to activate my stop loss. All is not done without clicking this blue arrow. So you come here and click that arrow, then you click modify it. It's not done until you click modify, and then I'm waiting, and then it says it is done, it has been modified. So you can see on top we have orange dotted line, that is my stop loss. So what I've not done, I'm yet to modify my take profit. So I'm going back to this red line for sell. I click it again, and then I activate TP. TP stands for take profit. I click TP. So after I click TP at the bottom, then there's a green line that comes on my chart. So how much will I make if my take profit is hit? So for this case, I have TP, the green line itself says I'm going to make 233 USD for if gold moves to this point. And also it has said in difference of the pips, or for the MetaTrader 5 it says in terms of points. So for it to get here, it needs to move 2,330 points. So for you to modify, I said all is not done until you click modification button. So I click the arrow, and then I go to this page, and then I click modify. Once it's modified, you have this green sign, it is done. So already now we have the green line that is standing for TP, and then we have the orange on top that is standing for stop loss. So if my trade goes to my take profit, I'll close in this amount of money. So if it fails to get to my take profit, then I'll lose this amount on top. So that's how easy, and that's how you are able to use your MetaTrader 5. So for any trade that you have closed, is going to go to history. History is where any position that you have opened and closed, this is where it will be recorded. So for the open position, you just need to click trade, that is at the bottom, and then you see your position running, how it keeps on changing. So this area, you see your balance. Your balance is the amount that you have deposited if you're using live account. And if you're using demo, you see even the balance, that the virtual money, the balance of virtual money. So, and the equity. So for the equity, you see it is the difference of the current, the how far you see for the gold is now -3. So that's why you see equity keeps changing, but the balance is yet to change. If I close this position, the balance is going to change, and they are going to deduct the amount of loss that are made. So for the current open position, this is where you see them. This is where you see every current every open position. So if you want to take new order again, you just need to click this sign. You are on the trades. You can either go to charts, you can go to charts and click that button, or at the corner, that one, that's the button you need to click. But if you don't need to see this button again, for it to hide, you just need to click the button again at the top, and then it's going to hide itself. So these are the charts, and all these are candlesticks. And note this candlestick, I'm currently using a time frame of 1 hour. 1 hour means every candlestick has been formed after 1 hour. So for you to do your good analysis, you need to look for higher time frames. And how do you see higher time frames? You can just click on the H1, the one on top, and then you have variety of time frames. So I want to do my analysis based on H4. H4 is meaning that every candle has been formed after 4 hours. So I'm trying to see how you can see whether this position is whether I'm supposed to sell or I can close it. So I'm watching at the price. So I'm doing my analysis based on higher time frame, and then I can be able. But that's not all. You need to include other trading analysis. This is just an example. This is just a tutorial how to use your MetaTrader 5. So I want to change my time frame. They are basically you can use this method, the one that you tap on top where we have H1, and on default you only have you usually find the MetaTrader 5 at H1. You find it at H1, sorry, you just need to click H1. So you can also use this shortcut. You just need to click on the chart. You click on the chart, and then you can adjust your time frame based on this round, the round symbol. We have month, we have 30 minutes. So it's quite well, it is well elaborated. So what if you want to use indicators? What kind of indicators are given by, or they are provided on default by MetaTrader 5? So you can click either this sign there on top and see the indicators. So you click this plus sign on there. We have indicators for trend. There are several, from zigzag all the way. We have even moving average. So there are these indicators. And then also we have oscillators. So we also have the indicators that shows volume. Yes, so there are so many. So if you want to use any of these indicators, you just click and add it. So if you want to add moving average, you just need to click it. Let's say I want this moving average, and click. Once you click, or you can adjust the period, adjust this to the one that you want. So I want to use moving average. You can also design how the style, color. You can change color here for your moving average. You can also the style whether you want dotted or you want solid line. So I want solid line. How do you want it? Whether you want it thick, more thicker. So I want it like 4. So once you're done, you just click save. So let's go and see. So you see our moving average has been added. So that's how easy it is. And we've already executed our first order. So let's see how it is moving. It's moving quite slowly. So that's how you do it. If you want to close your position, meaning that you are not you're not satisfied with the position, you just need to hold on your position. There are options that we're going to pop up, that is close your position. You can also modify. This modification is the same one that we we used for modifying our take profit and our stop loss. And then you can take new order on the same. You can also have chart. You can have bulk operation. Bulk operation is when you have list of trades and you want to close them together. So you can click close all position. So we have based this one, the bulk operation is interpreted based on the position that you have opened and the currency that you have opened. If they are different, for this case we have gold, so that's why we don't have other options. So that's why we have close position, close sell position. So this is how you can use bulk operation button. So if you're new to forex trading, so this is how you use MetaTrader 5 app. It is same for MetaTrader app for Apple, so it's quite easy, so quite straightforward. You see your history there. You see all trades, the trades that are opened, that are live, that are ongoing. You can also click chart, see how the chart, the how market is moving by price. On the edge we have the prices. So something else you can also have is assuming like you want to open, you don't want to move out of this chart and you want to open another chart for another currency. You just need to click on that area. We have a drop down, so you click, assuming I want to see Euro USD, here it is. So you can just adjust it the way you want. We have a list of them. What if we want to see Bitcoin, how it is performing? So here you just need to use that. So this app is very good for any new trader, and even it's good for all traders. That's what I want to mean. So you will be able to move in easily. You'll be able to execute your position. You'll be able to set your stop loss. You'll be able to set your take profit. And I believe you know what is the stop loss and a take profit. Stop loss is for just protecting your equity, for to not to incur huge losses. So it stops loss. Just a straightforward thing. It stops making huge loss. So you set it to amount that you wish to lose per trade. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you again.